Hey guys, I'm gonna show you how to delete Facebook account permanently. So to start, go ahead and open Facebook, then click your profile at the bottom right corner, then click on settings at the top right corner, then go to your account and go to account center. Then from here, scroll down and tap on manage accounts. So choose the account you want to manage or choose the account that you want to be deleted. Then click on manage. Now next, tap on deactivation or deletion. So from here, you have two options. You can deactivate your account and delete your account. So let's choose delete account. Then click continue. So before you delete, choose why you want to delete this account. So choose one reason and click continue. So if you change your mind and you want to deactivate it instead, so just click yes, deactivate instead. Or if you're sure about your decision, go ahead and click no, continue with deletion. So scroll down, then click continue, then re-enter your password, enter your phone passcode, and click continue. Then once done, confirm permanent account deletion. So click delete account and after that, your account will be deleted permanently. And that's basically it. So simple. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next one.